Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial of AWS. So in previous tutorial we have seen how to create a EC2 instance. So now we will see how to SSH to that EC2 instance or how to log into that. Okay. So for that purpose, click on the instance what you have created and go to actions. Sorry, go to these actions over here like instant state and click on start instance if it is stopped. Okay, so right now I already start, so I can't restart it. So it is showing this gray option because my instance is running over here. Okay, so now I want to log into this instance, so I can do that very easily. Click on the instance, then click on connect over here. And if you want to log in directly, then you can just click on the EC2 instant connect, and you can directly connect from the browser only. Click on connect over here, and it will open the instance directly in the browser only. Okay, so now let's just wait for a while. And okay, so now we are already inside of our EC2 instance, which is the Ubuntu over here. Okay, so we are already inside of it. Now you suppose you want to directly log in from your PC, then what you can do, like you must have already downloaded the SSH key, right? So this was that SSH key which got downloaded previously. So what you can do, just go to that folder. It is inside of the downloads. Just cut this and paste it on the desktop. Okay, so I have pasted it on the desktop. So now let me just click on this AWS trial again, click on connect and go to the SSH client. So over here you will see this example. Okay, so SSH minus I, and this is the name of my key and this is the rest of the thing. So click on this, copy the command, and now our this thing key is on the desktop, right? So just do one thing, open the command prompt. You can directly go over here and search for command prompt over here by typing in cmd, and you will get the command prompt over here. Open it, but I'm already having it pinned to the taskbar, so I won't be doing that. I will directly go to the desktop, and on my desktop there is this key over here. Okay, so now what I will do, the command which I have copied, the command which I copied from here, I'll paste it. Okay, and I will hit enter, and let's just wait for a while. Connect to the host, connection refused. Okay, so it is refusing the connection, so I have to see what's the issue.